Good day! Now is Sunday. May video ako guys, winter dito. Snow. Ayan, dami na. Nakaport na kami dito sa Newcastle Port. Newcastle Port to guys. Yan. May passenger doon guys sa unahan. Tapos mayroon dito barge sa unahan namin. Yan guys. Yan mga lupa ngayon, yung simento na lang naging white cement. Yan, pinatadtad sa snow. Yan guys. Yan, hanggang doon yan guys. Dito na. Kanina lang kami dumating dito guys. Nag-alongside mga 8 o'clock. 8:30 kami naka-alongside dito. Yan lang guys, yung pinapakita ko lang dito, yung view. Yan guys. Ito yung doon passenger yan, maalis na yata, malaki. Yan guys. So Newcastle, time as winter season na dito. Winter time season na rito guys. Snow hanggang January, February, hanggang Christmas pa yan. Mapupuno itong snow guys, itong Newcastle. Nasa gangwood lang ako, nag-video. Okay guys, bye bye guys, have a nice day.